You hit the table, hit the dashboard, scream, yell, throw tantrums, get so angry that whatever you have in your hand, you can fling it. You break bottles. You speak bile. You act out like a venom, like a snake that has venom. At the heat of every misunderstanding, your anger erupts like a volcano. You're struggling back to back with anger. Sometimes you don't show it because you have repressed your anger, but you know you are boiling on the inside. All are in the class of people that are struggling with anger addiction. You've done it. Your home is gone. Your wife has walked out on you. Your husband had left because you have an uncontrolled anger. It has ruined your life. As a matter of fact, anger is one word short of danger. You have used your anger, both the aggressive one and the repressed one, to destroy what you have used your life to build. Something is wrong somewhere and you need help. Help is available by screening, because nobody gets to the hospital and being treated without knowing the source of what exactly is the problem. And that is why anger addiction screening test comes to the picture of anyone that is battling and struggling with anger, especially after doing it, you regret it, you are sober, but give it another minute, boom, you are back in the same circle. Do anger screening assessment tests now that is done professionally by the clinicians. If you are sick, you go to the hospital, the doctor tells you to go and do tests, which is your blood test. Anger screening assessment test is screening your emotions to give you the exact root cause of your anger and your impulsive control disorder. You do things without thinking, without blinking, getting angry just for sometimes no reason. Of course, there are reasons for people to get angry, don't get me wrong. But when it comes to your own, it's so impulsive. It's like home. It's like shooting a gun. That tells you something. You need help. Do your anger screening assessment tests now to get help and be treated. That would show us exactly what is the root cause of your anger. Help is available. Don't destroy what you have used your life to build. Make sure you do your anger screening assessment test now and go straight to therapy. Looking forward to having you whole, complete, and total and restored. Thank you. I'll see you in your best years.